Thank you again for taking a moment to look at this video that deals with suite billing, subscription billing in NetSuite. I've recently got hold of a demo account that has subscription billing set up, and so I've gone and created a series of videos as well as this one pager in the master configuration workbook that I discussed in my previous video. And in here I've got all the setups, it starts with overview, management, setup, reports. I've got everything in here that I could find in NetSuite about subscription billing. And then everything that is mandatory, I have made a video for. So you'll see there's a video here pretty much for every one of these steps, every one of those. So this is included in my workbook, and I am giving you access to this series of videos. I normally sell them, but I'm giving away them for free. And I would appreciate it if you have any comments or any questions around them. I would very much appreciate your comments so that I can improve on this series about subscription billing. Thank you.